Good morning, grade 3s. This is your English for Tuesday. So I'm going to do activity 34 with you, which is a comprehension. Okay, you're going to read the story and then answer the questions. Where do hippos come from? Okay, so let's read. Long ago, there were no beaches where the sea met the land. It was all grass. The sea was calmer and there were no waves at all. It looked like a big pond. At that time, there were many hippos and they lived in the shallow seawater. At night, they left the water and grazed on the grass. Gradually, the grass disappeared until there was only land. The hippos had to venture further to find food. Many hippos couldn't make the long journey and died. Eventually, there were only a few hippos living next to the sea because there was not enough food for all of them. What could they do? The hippos moved away from the sea and settled next to the rivers that flow into the ocean. Here, they had fresh water and grass, so it came to be that hippos moved all over Africa, searching for wide rivers and luscious grass. Meanwhile, the sea noticed that the land was bare. Where there had once been grass, now there was only sand. The sea had an endless floor of sand, and it wanted to share this with the world. Deep in the ocean, waves surged and traveled around the world, carrying with it all the sand it could find. Still today, the waves of the sea work hard to push sand onto the land where grass used to grow. Okay, so now remember how we do a comprehension. You're going to read through all the questions once. Then you're going to read the story a second time. Then you go back to the questions and you read the question again. Then you go back to the story and you go find the answer in the story and you underline the answer. And then you go write the answer down. Okay, so question 1 says, what grew along the sea a long time ago? Question 2. Why were there fewer hippos? 3. What plan did they come up with? 4. Where do hippos live today? 5. What did the sea want to do? 6. Do you think this is a true story? Why or why not? 7. Have you ever seen a hippo? If so, where? 8. Draw a picture about the story. Okay, so I want you to go read the story again. Then you're going to read the questions again. Go underline the answers. And then you write them down. Okay. Then the next activity I want you to do is activity 35, which is only a poem. So I want you to read the poem. Okay. My dog does my homework. My dog does my homework at home every night. He answers each question and gets them all right. There's only one problem with homework by Rover. I can't turn in work that's been slobbered all over. Okay, so you see when you say a poem, you have to add feeling. People need to be able to feel the emotion in the poem. Okay, so I want you to practice saying the poem. And then maybe if you can say it nicely, Mommy can send me a voice recording so that I can hear how you say the poem. Okay, good luck and have fun. Speak again tomorrow. Love you. Bye.